Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Top Citavi Recipes. Today I am going to make Godala recipe. So I have taken 1 kilo peas over here, green peas. You can see. Today I am going to make Godala recipe. This is very famous in Bihar. This recipe. So today I am going to make this. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, comment, share. The peas are all peeled. You can see the peas. Now I'm going to boil the peas little bit, about 5 minutes. Put in the peas to boil. I'll put some salt, little bit of salt. The peas are boiled. Now I'm going to take it out, strain the water. Now I will mash the peas. You can grind it also, but I'll mash the peas. I won't grind the peas. I'll mash it up. Peas are smashed up. I mashed it up. See, you can see. You can grind it also. It will be better. Now I'm going to make the recipe. Put some mustard oil. Put 2 medium size onions cut up. Put 3 bay leaves. Put some saffron. Put the ginger garlic paste. Put some jeera powder. Put some dhania powder. Put some chili powder. Put 2 medium sized tomatoes cut up. Put in the mashed up peas. Put in the salt. Put in the water. Put in some garam masala. Put in the coriander leaves, dhania patti leaves. Cover it up and let it cook for 5 minutes. Godala recipe is ready. Thank you for watching my video.